The Dreame L20 Ultra combines powerful vacuuming, smart mopping, and intelligent navigation in one device. Its automated dock provides a truly hands-free cleaning experience. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Dreame L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum, base station ramp, vacuum mop, power cord, side brush, and user manual. How to pair. Begin by downloading and opening the Dreame Home app from the Google Play Store, App Store, or your device's app marketplace. Sign in or create an account. Then tap the plus icon and select the L20 Ultra from the L20 series. Place the robot on its charging dock and ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password, power on the robot by pressing and holding the power button, then press and hold the power and home buttons together for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Follow the prompts in the app to connect the robot to your smartphone and Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is successful, the setup is complete and your robot is ready to use. How to use? To prepare the Dreame L20 Ultra for first use, attach the side brush and snap the 2 mop pads into place underneath the robot. Next, plug in the dock station, attach the ramp, and install the included cleaning solution by removing the protective tabs and inserting it into the designated slot. Fill the clean water tank with fresh water, leaving the dirty water tank empty as it collects wastewater during mopping. Once everything is assembled, power on the robot and it is ready to begin cleaning. Maintenance. The robot vacuum base had not been cleaned for about a month, so it had a significant buildup of dirt. Fortunately, it includes an automatic self-cleaning function that can be activated by holding down the button for a few seconds. This releases water into the base, helping to soak and loosen the dirt. A built-in brush can then be used to scrub and remove most of the grime easily. After that, a cloth or paper towel is used to wipe and finish the cleaning process, leaving the base clean and shiny again. For deeper maintenance, some plastic parts of the base can be removed and cleaned separately, and the magnetic mop pads can also be detached and washed for a more thorough cleaning. Smart features? Delivers strong vacuum power of up to 7,000 pascals, allowing it to pick up fine dust, dirt, and larger debris with ease. This high suction performance ensures deep cleaning results on both hard floors and carpets. Mop Extend Edge cleaning technology automatically extends the mop pads outward to reach tight edges and corners. This ensures more complete cleaning along walls and in areas that are usually missed by standard round robot designs. Fully automatic all-in-one base station handles dust emptying, mop washing, water refilling, and hot air drying automatically. It reduces manual maintenance by keeping the robot clean and ready for the next cleaning cycle with minimal effort. Duo Scrub Dual Rotating Mop System uses 2 high-speed spinning mop pads to scrub floors effectively. It helps remove tough stains, sticky dirt, and spills for a deeper and more thorough clean. AI Smart Navigation and Obstacle Avoidance uses advanced sensors and intelligent mapping to detect and avoid objects in real time. It ensures efficient cleaning paths while preventing collisions, getting stuck, or missing areas. Carpet Detection and Mop Lifting Removal System automatically identifies carpets and lifts the mop pads to prevent wetting them. It also switches intelligently between vacuum and mop modes for smooth, uninterrupted cleaning across different floor types. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Dreame L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dreame L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.